pretty young girl from Zambia. You know that she ain't with the drama. Light skin girl Osama. You know she the bomb, she cause trauma. Hey, wind up your waist. Why you tryna take that thing from me? Mash up the place. And you know she got the recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for everyone that's been subscribing, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, click the little bell button to be updated every time I upload. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this pink pretty look, please keep on watching. And prime my face with the Becca Ever Matte Primer, and I'm just going to take a pea-sized amount that out. And I'm going to press that into the areas that I get oily, and also my eyebrows, because that stops them getting really oily. And I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Revlon Color Stay Eyebrow Pencil in black. I'm just going to follow my normal eyebrow shape. For my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Holygrail Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. I'm so excited to try out the I got some eyelashes from this company, Holygrail Cosmetics. They're an Australian brand, and the eyelashes and brushes are so good. I can't wait to try them. Pat that onto my eyelids. For my eyeshadow, oh my god, this is huge, guys. Look at that. That is, I can't even get the whole thing in frame. It's big. Start off, I'm going to be going in with this orange shade over here into my as my transition color. And still not sure what kind of eye look I'm going for, but we'll figure it out. Next, I'll be going in with this red shade called Snatched. That one. I'm going to be going that into my crease and going down to my lid. With my Morphe E40 blending brush, I'm just going to go in circular motions and blend those two colors together. I'm gonna go in with this reddish pinkish shade over here called what's it called, Create, and I'm gonna pack my whole lid with that one. Just gonna use one of these fluffy brushes. Ooh, oh, that's pigmented. Does it blend with my background? I think it's actually blending in. Alright. Now back again with that Sigma brush. Now I'm gonna see if I've got an orange shade somewhere on it. So I'm gonna use my Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. The same Sigma brush, I'm gonna go in that orange color. Now this is my favorite time. I got some eyelashes from Holygrail Cosmetics. It's an Australian brand that they do a lot of makeup brushes. The brushes are so soft. I think you've noticed some of these pink ones that I've been using, the rose gold. They are beautiful. And I've also got a few eyeshadow. I got 2 of each. Smitten. And this is Lust. These are gorgeous. And Honey, which I think I might go, for this look, I might go with Honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, and I'll get back to you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm back now. I've done my eyeliner and my lashes. And yeah, now time to get to the face. For my foundation, I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 480. It's a little bit dark, but yeah, this is my summer shade. Usually I go between 460 and 480 depending on how my skin's going. And I'm gonna use a brush just to blend it all out. But this foundation is amazing, guys. Like, I haven't been able to try, as I've said, the concealers, but they look amazing, and I can't wait to receive my order from Sephora. And I did order this shade, I think it was $4.95 or $4.98. So I'm hoping that will be running a bit dark enough for me to use that as a contour shade, because it's been kind of hard to find, you know, shades that run dark enough to be used for contouring on dark skin. I'm gonna go in with my the same LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. I'm gonna add that one first. I'm seriously running out of this one as well. You can tell how much I've used it. So good. I'm gonna layer that with my what do you call this? Too Faced Born This Way concealer, just over the top. For my contour, I'm going to use my Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder, and that's the one, and that's in the shade Deep Bronze. Just going to lightly contour my nose. I did get the Ben Nye translucent powder, and I mixed Topaz with the banana powder just to get this in middle shade, and I put in my little Sephora pot. And I'm gonna use this just to set my under eyes. And I'm gonna use my Real Techniques sponge as well. It's a bit dirty, but hey. My full face, I'm gonna go in with my favorite, the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Powder. Now for my blush, I think I'm gonna use my MAC powder blush in Fever. And it's this really beautiful shade. And my favorite part, highlighting. So I'm gonna try, I just got the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, that one. And I'm gonna, okay. Oh my god. That is gorgeous. Oh my god. Probably brought it too far forward, but hey. To set the whole face, if I could find my setting spray. Favorite, that's the Urban Decay Disc Sleek. Alrighty. Whew. Oh my god. I'm getting excited. Alright, for the lips, I'm going to use my MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut. Alright guys, so about these lashes, I really love them. I normally want my lashes to curl up when I wear them the first time, but because they're new, they do need to be worn out a little bit just to get them used to my eye shape, because I do have really curly lashes. And yeah, it took me literally, I ordered these lashes on Friday and today's Monday, and they were at my doorstep this morning. That's how good it is. And you do get different sizes, different types for different looks. And yeah, I can't really fault this company. I have been ordering my lashes from them for quite a while, and I do have most of the brushes collections. I'm still waiting for you guys to restock so I can get some more. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and this is the final look. Hope you like that, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much again for coming to watch.